Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. After breaking out a big falling wedge pattern, Zilliqa is still moving above this resistance of the wedge, and at the same time it has also broken down the support of this symmetrical triangle as well. And in today's video we will take a look at this move, but before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and let me to take you to this weekly live weekly time frame chart with US dollar pair, Zilliqa with US dollar, and we can see it was entered the wedge here back in March 2021, and we broke it out here in March 2022 after a year. And if you are following my videos on Zilliqa, then you may know that we have been covering this big falling wedge pattern and this expected breakout. And finally, we broke it out here on the candlestick that was started on 21st of March, and we hit this target. That was the fine target. That was the top of this wedge. Can be considered as a fine target for this falling wedge pattern after the breakout. That was at 23 cents. That is also a very strong and key resistance for Zilliqa to start the next long-term rally from here. However, after that, we are dropped down here. We retested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and now we are again getting accumulated above this previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And you can see, since we have broken down this support on 6th of June, we have broken down this support of 5 cents. We are not able to break it out again because it is very strong resistance now. Previously, it had been breaking as a support here, support here, support here, and now it is flipped into a strong resistance. So we are moving under this resistance and getting rejected again and again. Our next support is here. That can be lifeline for Zilliqa at 2.9 cents, and that is also a key support. And you can see for a very long term, it is working as a support, like it had been working as a support here back in March 2018. Back in August 2018, it has been working as a support for several weeks, a month, and as a resistance here, and as a resistance here, support here, and again, it can work as a support if it will be move more down from here. And for example, if it will move more down to test this support, then we are also having this support of that was in fact the previous resistance of the wedge that is now working as a support. So at the same time, it will be testing both supports together if it will be dropped here. Now on the daily time frame chart, this was the weekly, and now we are on the daily time frame chart. We can see that this was the symmetrical triangle that I was showing you in my last video on Zilliqa as well, and we had a breakout, but that was in fact a fake out. And you can see that we are not able to break out this resistance of 5 cents so far. And the exact resistance that recently Zilliqa has found on this daily time frame chart is 4.95 cents, very close to 5 cents. And you can see it is getting rejected again and again from this resistance. And it is again, even after breaking out this triangle, it is rejected by this resistance and even break down. You can see this support is broken down now, and we are now moving below this support of the triangle. Now, for example, if it will be moved up from here, then this previous support of the triangle can work as a strong resistance for the price line. And first we need to break it out, then we need to break out this 5 cents resistance. Now, I would like to show you two major signs which are not supporting this breakdown as well. Like here we had a fake out to the upside. Now I'm expecting that it is another fake out to the downside, and we may have a reversal move. Like we have found another support here in the short term that is at approximately 3.5 cents, and you can see the price line, whenever it is touching this support, it is getting bounced very well, and now it is dropped at this support once again. And if we take a look at the volume, then you can see that volume is also not backing or supporting this breakdown. We need a powerful sell volume, like we had a buying volume powerful here and powerful sell volume here. You can see that here we have a very low buying and sell. Both volumes are very low. Therefore, the volume is also not supporting this breakdown, and it was not also supporting this breakout as well, by the way. Therefore, now we need to watch out for this resistance. The price line first needs to break out this resistance, and then the price line needs to break out this 5 cents. That is a long-term resistance. You can see the price line is not able to break out this resistance for several weeks and months from you can see we broke it down here in June 2022, and so far we are not able to break it out. So then we will also need to break it out, and then it can start the bigger move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.